This is my empty apartment tour. This is in Winter Park, Florida. So I am moving out. I've swept, so there's a lot of dust in here. But this is my living room. This was my kitchen. This is a 1-bedroom, okay. So this is my living room, pretty nice. Okay. Then I had my TV up on this wall, and this is my patio. So out here, a nice little patio. You can come down here and look into the pool. Yes, that was fun. Okay, let's go back inside. And this is my bedroom. It's a pretty spacious bedroom, I would say. Yep, carpet on the bedroom and a fan. And then there is a door to go into the bathroom, but also there is a door from the living and dining area to go into the bathroom as well. So here's the bathroom. Hi guys, I look crazy, but here's the bathroom. Yeah, great cabinet space. Floors are pretty much dark wood, just a regular toilet. I really like these cabinets. They had lots of storage in here. And then finally, well, not finally yet, I have to see this shower. Was a nice shower. Okay. And now let us go into the closet. So this was a walk-in closet, which I really appreciated. So you can come in here. There was pretty much so much in here that I could put. It holds a lot of clothes. So this is basically it. And now I'm gonna show you the amenities of the apartment. Here's the room called the library, but